Hi everyone, I've got a new wireless outdoor solar powered camera for home security. It's by ReoLink. You're going to like this one. It's got a great app with it. Camera's high quality. So let's get to the unboxing and review. Hi everyone, Captain Mark. Today I have the ReoLink Argus PT with the solar power panels on the wireless pan tilt security camera. So let's take a look around the box and see what it says about the camera. And we see it is a pan and tilt. It is IP64 weatherproof, 100% Wi-Fi, solar powered, or you can use the 3.63 volts, rechargeable battery powered, starlight night vision, 1080p full HD, and smart PIR sensor. All right, so let's open up the box and see what goodies come inside. Be prepared, be ReoLink. Comes with a nice little envelope here with all your stuff inside. Must be your paperwork and so forth. Let's open it up. And you can see just by looking at this how well thought out this packaging is on this camera. Nice quality. And here we have our quick start guide, step-by-step instructions. What else we have here? Oh, I see we have a, oh cool, it comes with a sticker, the 24-hour surveillance sticker by ReoLink to put on all our windows or doors. That's cool. Looks like a little template. Yeah, a template for mounting your bracket must be to hold the camera. So set all that stuff out of the side. You can see, look at the foam on the top. This is really a quality camera. Wow, well packaged. Look at that. Very nice. And here we have our anchoring set. This must be the mounting bracket. Yes, it is. Quick adjustment. Very easy to use. A little thumb screws on the top and on the side. And you screw it into a tree or a wall or whatever you want. And here we have our charging cord. Let's see what it is here. Micro to USB. Okay. And our 4-inch antenna. Screwable type. That's okay. And the camera itself. Wow, it's very heavy. Wow, this is really nice. High quality. Heavy duty molded plastic on that. Very nice. Well crafted. And of course you have your 1/4-20 screw which screws into the top, which holds on to your camera for mounting in different angles. I like that. It's all set up. You don't have to put it together or anything. There we go. Looks good with a nice ReoLink in the front. And in the back, this is where we screw in our antenna. And here we have our power cord charging port, or I believe it's also for a solar panel, which we'll be getting to in a second. Here we have our, open this up here. Oh, this is our switch, our on and off switch, which is also sealed up in there. Let's look at the quality here. We'll screw an antenna on real quick. There we go. What else do we have here? Going around to the front. You know, if you lower it, the camera down. Here's our spot for our SD card. Pull it out. Another little rubber seal on there. Great. Pop it in. And then you just close it up. That's plastic off from the lens. Yep. And then you have your other sensors on here. Okay, starting from the top, we have the microphone. Next to the right, we have the PIR motion sensor, 105 degrees wide angle lens. And to the left of that is the 33 feet starlight night vision 1080p HD. And at the bottom, we have the speaker. Okay, let's take a look and see what's inside the box of the solar panel. Again, we have the Be Prepared, Be ReoLink. Very nice little folder that you can open up. Keeps all your paperwork in. And this one also has the instructional manual for the solar panel. And we have the warranty card. Looks like the mounting template for the bracket holding the solar panel. We also get the sticker to put on the window too for the solar panel. So it's nice to have two stickers now to mount on my windows. Oh wow, this is really nicely packaged. Good quality job. Take the foam piece off. Pull the panel out here. Oh, that's really nice. Cool texture to it. And look, we have the connecting cord to it. But it has a plastic film over it to protect it. We'll peel that off here. And it has the cord that is permanently attached to the back. Let's take a look in here and see what else we got. We have our anchor set. And our mounting bracket. It's nice. Yeah, nice metal mounting bracket with a compression adjustment screw on there to adjust the ends of it. And you screw on the panel to the top. Okay, so let's look at how we hook all this up. You have to pull back on the little waterproof sleeve on that so we can get it actually into the connector. And then once we make our good connection, we slide the insulated waterproofing back over it, and that's it. As you can see, the green light showing is already active and charging. All right, the first thing I like to do is get some numbers here for you about this device and the solar panel. Now let's get a weight on this panel, and you're just going to see how light it is. So the weight on that is 5.61 ounces for the weight on the solar panel. And let's take a weight reading on the camera itself, and that's 16.65 ounces. Let's get some measurements on this panel here. It is roughly 7¼ inches long by 4 3/4 inches wide. It is 1/4 inch thick. So nice, very small, but yet it does the job. Some of the really nice features of this camera is IP64 waterproof. It has starlight night vision. It has 105 degrees wide viewing angle. The PIR motion sensor. Intelligent alerts. You get alerts, push notification and emails and siren in real time. Customized voice recording alerts. And you got live view anytime. Two-way audio with a built-in mic and speaker. Motion detect and record. Low battery notification. Low battery capacity at 10%. Rapid wake up. Wakes up when live view or motion is detected. And last but not least, what makes this camera stick out more than any other ones is the 30-day money-back guarantee. It has free shipping on all orders, 2-year limited warranty, and 24/6 online support with one-on-one. So that's it. I'm going to put it all together, mount it on the tree or the house, depending on which I get the best coverage, and of course the sun on the solar panels. Well, folks, that's my review on the ReoLink Argus PT Outdoor Wireless Pan Tilt Solar Battery Camera for home security. It has starlight color night vision with PIR motion sensor, two-way audio, is supported by Alexa and Google Assistant. It has cloud-based and local SD storage, so you don't need to have a subscription to use this. You can visit the ReoLink store to purchase this, and I'll leave that link down below, and you can get it on Amazon, and I'll leave that link down below too. I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark's 5-star review. It did everything it said it was going to do and more. It's a quality camera. It's easy to use and set up. The app is well thought out. So if you think this information was useful in helping you purchase this item or any other cameras or items on my channel, why don't you give me that big thumbs up? And if you're new to the channel and you like what you've seen so far, why don't you hit the subscribe button down below? And don't forget the bell to the right, because you can catch all my upcoming videos. So this is Captain Mark saying, always thank you for watching my reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.